Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. As we all know what is happening in the world today, the pandemic. I ordered this from AliExpress. I believe it's my car CD car holder mount or phone holder. Let's just open it, see what I'm talking about. Don't worry guys, I did sanitize my package already. This is what I use, and I left it by the door for a while. I got it in the mail today. It did not take too long to come with all what's going on in the world today. There it is. It's the car mount holder, metal gravity mount. Yep, some bases I believe. Looks nice. Looks really nice. Yep, but from what I'm seeing here, I hope it's the correct one, because I did order the one that's fitting into your CD, where you insert your CD. Yep, and this is the wrong one. It's not the one that I ordered. Still looks good. Let me see if there's anything in the box. Just some branding stuff. Give 5 stars. If you are not completely satisfied with your order in any way, please contact us before leaving a negative or neutral feedback. Well, I'm not overly happy. I'm not disappointed because I got the product, just it's not the right one that I ordered. This is for the air vents. You clip this one on the air vent right here. You will open this and clip it into your air vent. Let's see how it works with the phone on it. So I screwed in this part. This is the one, as I said, that it's going to go into your air vent grills, and you connect it to your car. Let's see if I can simulate how it works. So this is a simulation test to see how it works. I can't really go outside right now, it's late in the night. I will try tomorrow to see. So you basically just put it like this and it's good to go. I think it's going to rock a little bit, but it's very easy to take your phone out and put it back in. Hey guys, now it's time to check to see how good this works. This is how it looks. It works well. It's quite sturdy, but I don't like it connected to the air vents. I broke like this in the past. I wanted the one that fits inside the CD, the mount, but I think I ordered the wrong one. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in it. You can check it out. This product has lots of review from customers and they say they love it. So you guys have a good day.